So many people are making this one mistake with their website, and I see it time and time again. For those of you that don't know, I regularly do marketing reviews. What a marketing review is, I pick a member from the hospitality community Facebook group and I gather loads of information, their website, their social media, how they look on Google, look at their listings, look at their socials, and I compile everything and I sort of do a live video and I just walk through what they could be doing better or what they're doing well to share it with other hosts to get inspiration. There's one thing that I see time and time again, and if you did this and if they did this, they would actually increase the conversion. What is a conversion? Is turning a looker into a booker so you can get more direct bookings. Now, would you like to know what that one thing is? Well, if so, all I need for you to do is, if you're watching this on YouTube, smash that like button, annihilate that like button so that more people will see this video and it'll go better in the rankings. If you're listening to this on iTunes or Spotify, then all I need for you to do, pick up the phone, tap the share button as long as it's safe to do so, and send it to a host. And if you are following on any of the other socials, make sure you follow, subscribe so you can get more of these. Now, that one thing, the one thing that will help drive conversions, lookers into bookers, is your face. It's you right there. The stats have been in and the stats have shown that when there is a face, when there is an image of people on the homepage, it drives more conversions. Now, a way that I like to do this and the way that Boostly websites like to convey this is with pictures of you, the host. And you don't say something as formal as about us or our story. You make it a bit more friendly. One of the recent changes in text that we have done on our Boostly websites is we've changed it to a message from the host, a message from your host. And what we do is we put a picture of you or you and the family or you and the team with a little bit of text next to it. It doesn't have to be nothing really long. Doesn't have to be something, an essay. It's basically who you are, why you got into hospitality, who you like to host, and why you feel that they will have a great time. That's it. Short, sharp, and sweet. Now, this has to be on the homepage. You can't hide it on another page. You know, it has to be on the homepage. The homepage is where 80% of your information should be. So again, if you go have a look at boostly.co.uk/portfolio, have a look at all of the styles of websites that we have put together, you'll see that there's a very recurring theme on each one, is that we like to get a picture of the host on the homepage because it just has that hospitality feel, which at the end of the day is what we are all about. So let me pass it over to you. The question of the day for you: do you do this? And if you do, please share a link to your website. Basically, in the comments below, put a link to it, insert your domain name. If you listen to the audio and you want to email it or send it to me in a direct message, mark@boostly.co.uk, or you can message the Instagram, which is @BoostlyUK. So this is my turn. This is my turn to ask a question to you. Are you doing this already? How does it look? Share with the group so everybody else can see. So my name is Mark Simpson. If you don't know, I'm doing a daily podcast every day in 2021. Whether it's on YouTube or LinkedIn, Facebook, Tickety Talk, Instagram, audio version, Spotify, Apple, you name it. I want to make sure that hosts all over the world can get the tools, the tactics, the training, and the confidence to go and increase their direct bookings. Not only survive what's been happening over the past year, but thrive going into 2021 and beyond. So all I need for you to do, one massive thing, one massive favor, doesn't cost anything. Just hit that like button and share this with another host. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with another lesson, another episode. Until then, please keep proactive, don't be reactive, and let's go get some direct bookings, eh?
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.